Yeah, I tried to combine sort of the challenge, the uh, die dance code or the circuit anyway, with the RGB code, and recognized that I had the similar problem uh, swapping high and low on the code there in order for the circuit to behave as expected. So had to flip high and low values in the show RGB uh, code, and then I put a potentiometer for each color spectrum. So I've got the um, values fed to the program to the LED as before, but they're also got these potentiometers in line to further control the intensity of each RGB code. So currently it's just displaying a value of 0 to that show RGB function, and so that's just displaying red. And so this is my red potentiometer control. And if I were to show the white, then the others would light up as well. I have noticed that wiring my center die LED to, I think I put it to 1, pin 1, is showing some activity there that would not be wanted. Currently, the code loaded is just the slight modification to the uh, RGB code to flip the high and low. I haven't put any of the die code in there, but the same circuit is wired up, except that I moved the pins from the pulse width modulations to the standard digital I/O to be more in line with what their die usage. But the signal, I guess, on that pin 0 or pin 1, I'm sorry, is causing that center LED to light. And I'm assuming if I put it on pin 0, I'll have similar uh, unwanted activity from some serial bus usage. Uh, and if I put an arbitrary pin, then it obviously won't light up. So this pin 1 and pin 0 seem to be kind of dirty to use. Um, be interesting to see if that can be disabled so that those are more usable.